Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about aftermarket extended warranties. If you go to purchase a new vehicle or even a used vehicle from a car dealer, most likely somebody's going to try to sell you an extended warranty service contract. You need to make a decision if the service contract's actually worth the paper that it's written on. So that's one of the things we're talking about today. Often our clients at the West Automotive Group, if they go to purchase a vehicle, we'll tell them, hey, bring the contract in, let us take a look at it for you. There's some things in here you should probably know. A lot of contracts only cover internal engine components and only if they're damaged internally. If an external problem happens, it's not covered. Often they don't cover electronic items or fuel pumps or sensors, so it just depends. Some extended warranties do. They'll cover almost everything, so you have to be very careful. Another clause that's often in an extended warranty is like-kind quality. That means the extended warranty company, if you have an engine or a transmission failure, can send a used engine or transmission to replace the components that failed if they choose to do so. Often contracts have a limit too. If you paid $3,000 for the contract, that's about all they may spend.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.